To set up Apple Pay on your iPhone, start by opening the Wallet app. If you do not see the Wallet app on your home screen, you can find it in the app library. Once you have opened the Wallet app, tap the plus sign in the top right corner to begin the process of adding a credit or debit card. You will then be prompted to choose whether you want to add a credit or debit card. Select the type of card you want to add and take a photo of the card using the camera on your iPhone. Or you can enter the card details manually. You will need to enter the card verification value, which is usually found on the back of the card. After you have entered your card details, your bank will verify the information to ensure it is correct. This may involve receiving a verification code via text message or phone call, which you will need to enter into the Wallet app. Once your card has been verified, you will be able to use Apple Pay to make payments. To do this, simply hold your iPhone near a contactless payment terminal and authenticate the transaction with your face, fingerprint, or passcode, depending on the security settings you have chosen for your iPhone. You can also use Apple Pay to make online purchases. When you are checking out online, look for the Apple Pay button and select it to complete your purchase. You will then be prompted to authenticate the transaction using your face, fingerprint, or passcode. It is a good idea to keep your iPhone and card information up to date to ensure that Apple Pay continues to work smoothly. To do this, go to the Wallet app and select the card you want to update. You can then add a new card or update the details of an existing card. By following these steps, you can easily set up Apple Pay on your iPhone and start making contactless payments and online purchases with ease.